T, Jason here, and I've got a quick improvement to solve something that really bugs me every day. Well, maybe not every day, but several days. Okay, so the issue that I'm running into is when we receive stuff in E2, we only have 3 digits, but the problem here is this has 4 digits. So you see the price, $13.65, over here, $13.60. Ugh. How do I resolve this? Well, typically what we'll do is in E2, we would just come down here on the second line item and be like, all right, 5 cents. And then we come over here and we put like rounding issue. But the problem that we run into with that is when we go to like the accounting distribution, we see where it's putting it on the balance sheet. Oh, it's using this inventory account and like not the hardware one. So that means we have to go in here and spend a bunch of extra steps looking at, okay, we got to change this so that it's the correct GL account. It's just a big hassle. So I'm gonna do something to make that much easier. Okay, so we're back on this same invoice that has that rounding issue that I showed you earlier. And instead of like having to come down here, put in my like difference, put in a description, and then like drill in and change the GL code, what I've done is I've created some standard part numbers. So we can do rounding hardware, rounding packaging, or rounding plastic, depending on like what the material that's being bought is. And so we can just select that, and we're like, all right, this is like 5 cents difference. And if I go to the accounting distribution, you'll see that the inventory account for hardware is not there. It's only using the cost of goods, which is what I want. So that way I don't have to do all that extra clicking, all that extra stuff, and I can get back to improving today for a better tomorrow. Thank you.